Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using two retiring stamp sets, Breathtaking Bouquet and Barn Door. And this is a sweet little card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using two retiring stamp sets. We're going to be using Breathtaking Bouquet and Barn Door. And we're just going to be using the sentiment, may your troubles be less and your blessings be more. I have a piece of Highland Heather, and this is cut at 3 5/8 by 4 7/8. I'm going to bring in my big shop here. And I have this die from the Sweetly Stitch dies, and I'm just going to cut this here, run that through, okay, and we are going to use both of these pieces. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. I'm just going to bring in a sheet of regular paper. And then I have our Breathtaking Bouquet mounted on clear block F. And I'm going to come in with my gorgeous grape. And I'm going to ink this up upside down to make sure that it gets good and saturated. Looks like I've got a little bit of purple there, so I'll put that down. All right, that is perfect. And while we have our ink out, I'm going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment, and that's mounted on clear block C. Y'all like my nails? My husband did my nails. All right, well, let's try this again because I seem to have went a little bit crooked here. All right, that is much better. Now we can start putting this card together. I'll get this piece here. And we're going to attach it here with some SNAIL adhesive. And it's just going to make a very thin border. All right, and now I have this tricolor ribbon. I'm just going to put that across. And then let me snip it here. So I'm just going to put this down with some regular tape. And I cut it a little bit too long, but that's okay. And you can choose to color in the flowers, but I like to make quick and simple cards. Now we're going to adhere this to our card base. And it is Whisper White thick. And it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And this is going to make a little wide border here. All right, so just like that. Next, I'm going to pop up our sentiment here with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Oops. So just like that. And then I have the Noble Peacock Rhinestones. And let's see, I'm going to get these bigger ones here. And I'm just going to put them on the ends here, just to kind of dress it up a bit. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!